My name is John Ray De Jesus from Black Sea. Today we're going to talk about the power of synergize in the 7 habits of highly effective people. So yun nga, what is synergize? Synergize means working together as a team to achieve a better result. When people combine their ideas, strength and efforts, they can accomplish more than they could alone. It's about teamwork, cooperation, and respecting each other different. For example, in a team project, if each member brings a different skills like design, coding, writing, they collaborate effectively. They synergize to create a better product. Simple definition: to work together with others so that the combined efforts is greater than what each person could do alone. It's about teamwork and cooperation to achieve better results. Key takes away of being a synergizer person. Number 1. Work well with others to achieve common goals. Number 2. Listen to and respect different ideas to find the best solution. Number 3. Build stronger teamwork by encouraging cooperation and trust.